Hey guys, Seeney here and welcome to another episode on the Australian Wealth channel. And today I'm going to be talking about my next $550,000 investment. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what this investment is, what it's all about, what the expected returns are, and why. Okay, so this video is not financial advice. This is YouTube and this is entertainment. I'm just telling you guys about what I'm doing with my money. This might not be right for your circumstances, so you need to make your own decisions with your own money. So this investment that is about to be complete is an investment property in an area which I believe is going to have massive capital growth over the next few years. So we are buying in Thornlands, Queensland, which is a suburb which is about 30 minutes from the center of Brisbane, near the coast. It's probably 5 to 10 minutes away from Victoria Point. And there's a lot of reasons why this area is very likely to see growth in the future. So I wanted to talk about some of those reasons that this particular area, I believe, is going to grow quite massively in the future. Now, the first and one of the most important reasons that I believe that this area is going to absolutely boom in the next few years is due to government spending and infrastructure. So in this particular area, there is an absolute ton of government spending going in. There's so many different things. So there's things such as the Alma Park Zoo relocation, the North Stradbroke Island economic transition, the Queen's Wharf integrated resort development, there's upgrades to Brisbane Airport, there's going to be a mega cruise ship terminal somewhat nearby, and of course the most important reason is the Yatala Enterprise area, which is going to bring over 40,000 jobs to this particular area. So that means there's going to be a lot more families that are moving into this particular area for work. It's going to be quite a booming area, and that's probably the development that I'm most excited about, along with all the other things that are happening in Brisbane. There's another reason that I think Brisbane is going to be a great choice for investing, and that is because that a lot of older couples and older families are starting to move away from the very expensive cities such as Sydney and Melbourne. They're able to cash in on the property prices in Sydney and move to an area which is a little bit more affordable. If we're comparing the house prices in, say, Sydney and Melbourne to the prices in Brisbane, there is quite a big difference in them. In Sydney, if you're looking to buy a house anywhere within stone's throw of the city, then you're easily in the millions of dollars, not just a million, but millions for houses. And it's quite similar in Melbourne as well, whereas 30 minutes from the center of Brisbane, you're looking at $550,000 for a 4-bed house on a nice block of land. So we're building a property that's suited for families. So this is going to be a 4-bedroom house, not too much yard to maintain, something that has a lot of house for the block that it's on, and is going to be comfortable for families of most sizes to live in. So thanks to all of these factors and the growth that's going into this area and the population that's moving in, we're expecting roughly a 7% capital growth year on year. So the approximate rental of the area for a 4-bedroom house is roughly $500 a week. So that's around $2,000 monthly, which covers the interest and costs associated with the loan that we'll be taking out against this property. So for this particular property, we're doing a couple of things which are a bit different to your traditional investment. What we're doing is we're taking out an interest-only loan. And the reason that we're doing this is because it allows us to maximize our cash flow to go and purchase investment properties in the future. If you're going to pay down principal as well on an investment property, that's great. You can make more money from that as the interest payments are less because the money is less borrowed. But at this point, we want to be able to maximize our cash flow so that we can buy more properties into the future. So it's not something that is for everyone, but that's what we're doing for this. So this property, also to maximize cash flow, we're putting 10% down. The only downside of this is that you have to pay lender's mortgage insurance, which is a bit of a bummer, but we feel that it's worth it just for the fact that we'll be able to maximize the cash flow and get into other deals faster. So at a 7% compounded return, we're expecting the property value to increase from $547,000 to $670,000 over 3 years and $767,000 over 5 years. So this is of course assuming that the capital growth rate remains strong and our bull thesis plays out. All of the government infrastructure goes in and brings a lot of jobs to the area and a lot of people move in. And having been to Thornlands personally, it's a really nice area. You know, it's not too far from the coast, which means easy to get to the beach, and there's a lot of great fishing spots, and there's a lot of amazing areas around there that tourists always come into to check out. So it's a really beautiful area, and I think it's going to be fantastic for a lot of people to move into if they want to get close to the city, but still have a little bit of space out. So I'd like to hear what you guys think about this investment, and whether you guys are doing any investing yourself. I'd be really keen to hear what you guys are up to. You know, whether you think the best returns are going to be in real estate or in stocks. Who knows? So I think it's important to be diversified. You know, that's why we're buying a few more rental properties around the place over the next few years, so that we are diversified between stocks and real estate. So make sure you smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Helps to get these videos out to more people. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you later.